Hey guys, Shubham here from TechPP and we are live from the Mobile World Congress checking out the phone that Micromax was supposed to launch by January end in India. It's the Bharat Go, an entry-level smartphone that is powered by Google's Android Go software. For people who don't know, Android Go is a lightweight fork that's designed to run more efficiently on underpowered devices. Anyway, Bharat Go has a standard plastic design as you would expect from a phone in this price range. There are the usual off-screen capacitive buttons and a 4.5 FWVGA screen above that. It comes with 1GB of RAM, 8GB of internal storage and a 5MP rear camera with a single LED flash. We don't know what processor it runs on, but it's possibly a MediaTek quad-core one. Being an Android Go phone, you get stock Android and a light suite of Google apps such as YouTube Go, Gboard Go, Maps Go and so on. It was expected to launch last month, but Micromax seems to have postponed that to some other date. We also got to check out another Android Go from an Indian manufacturer, the Laowa Z50. It's basically the same phone as the Bharat Go with just a different brand name on the back. That's it for this quick video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more MWC coverage. Until then, may the tech be with you.